100 action verbs in English with sentences.
Sings.
She sings beautifully.
She sings beautifully.
Run.
They run every morning.
They run every morning.
Cook.
She cooked dinner.
She cooked dinner.
Loudly.
The dog barked loudly.
The dog barked loudly.
Listen.
We listen storybooks.
We listen storybooks.
Paint.
She paints portraits.
She paints portraits.
Dance.
They dance gracefully.
They dance gracefully.
Fast.
He drives fast.
He drives fast.
Sleep.
The cat slept peacefully.
The cat slept peacefully.
Write.
We write letters.
We write letters.
Swim.
They swim in the lake.
They swim in the lake.
Repair.
He repairs cars.
He repairs cars.
Flew.
The bird flew high.
The bird flew high.
Watch.
We watch movies.
We watch movies.
Read.
She read book.
She read book.
Climbs.
He climbs mountains.
He climbs mountains.
Play.
They play soccer.
They play soccer.
Crawl.
The baby crawled.
The baby crawled.
Eat.
We eat lunch.
We eat lunch.
Listen.
She listens carefully.
She listens carefully.
Build.
They build houses.
They build houses.
Study.
He studies hard.
He studies hard.
Galloped.
The horse galloped.
The horse galloped.
Laugh.
We laugh together.
We laugh together.
Bakes.
She bakes cakes.
She bakes cakes.
Plants.
They plant trees.
They plant trees.
Shouted.
The children shouted.
The children shouted.
Catches.
He catches fish.
He catches fish.
Clean.
We clean the house.
We clean the house.
Knits.
She knits scarves.
She knits scarves.
Jog.
They jog daily.
They jog daily.
Fixes.
He fixes computers.
He fixes computers.
Hopped.
The rabbit hopped.
The rabbit hopped.
Hopped.
We travel often.
We travel often.
Stamp.
She collects stamps.
She collects stamps.
Rides.
They ride bikes.
They ride bikes.
Train.
He trains dogs.
He trains dogs.
Roar.
The lion roared.
The lion roared.
Chat.
We chat online.
We chat online.
Sculpts.
She sculpts clay.
She sculpts clay.
Explore.
They explore caves.
They explore caves.
Photograph.
He photographs nature.
He photographs nature.
Poured.
The rain poured.
The rain poured.
Sing.
We sing hymns.
We sing hymns.
Serves.
She serves food.
She serves food.
Cheer.
They cheer loudly.
They cheer loudly.
Design.
He designs clothes.
He designs clothes.
Blue.
The wind blew.
The wind blew.
Hike.
We hike trails.
We hike trails.
Program.
She programs software.
She programs software.
Study.
They study history.
They study history.
Trims.
He trims bushes.
He trims bushes.
Shone.
The sun shone.
The sun shone.
Celebrate.
We celebrate birthdays.
We celebrate birthdays.
Mixes.
She mixes drinks.
She mixes drinks.
Meditate.
They meditate daily.
They meditate daily.